What's going on, y'all? It is your boy RickyMoto. Welcome back to yet another video. This video is a little bit different. I'm changing things up, kind of add a little bit of vloggy goodness. This is my face if you guys haven't, seen me in real life or haven't seen any of my build videos. But yeah, this is your boy RickyMoto. I'm an Asian dude, Asian fella. As you guys may know, I recently just moved, and so a lot of things are different, and I want to show you guys around. I'm not going to be doing a full-blown house tour just because, I am living with my parents and I don't want to show you everything. So I'm going to be showing you guys my room. I'm going to be, giving you guys a tour of what's in here. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the outside, maybe a little bit of the living room and stuff like that. Before I get into this video, make sure to drop a like and a comment below. If you're new to this channel, if you guys want to see more motorcycle content or just fun stuff, hooligan stuff, hit that subscribe button and turn on those post notifications to see when I upload. And yeah, let's get started. So coming right in, this is the view. It's a bit of a mess right now. I haven't really cleaned it, but who cares? Walking right up, we have my setup on the left side. This is my super messy standing desk. I believe it's 60 inches. I'm not exactly sure, but it's super nice. It's really heavy duty. It's also a whiteboard top, so I can just doodle on here and take notes if I need to. Got my laptop, monitor. I was editing footage earlier today, so that's why it's like that. A couple of hard drives, and this is my trash corner. Basically anything, I have like 1, 2, 3, 4 keys here, just random nuts and bolts and random crap. I have a trash bin over here that cost me 80 bucks for no apparent reason, and it's not even that useful. I mean, it has this little kickstand thing, but it's super tiny, so I can barely throw anything in here. Got a lens chilling on the ground. Amazing cable management, as you can see. Then we have my chair over here. I got this from Next Level Racing. It's like a racing simulation brand, whatever. So yeah, got that bucket style, Over here, this is the controls for the table. There are presets 1, 2, 3, 4 for different heights, or you can manually set it. I usually leave it in the lowest setting because I'm short as heck and I don't need this thing way up. Unless I want to stand, I can just press a button. I'll just put on 2 for now. Look at that. And it's rising up little by little. Really convenient, and it's nice and silent. It doesn't like make a weird grinding noise like a lot of cheap motors do, so I like that. Table's a mess. I have multiple tickets that I haven't paid for. Got my hoodie over here if you guys want to cop. This Refit Studios, members only, whatever the heck. This is my brand, by the way. Haven't really promoted it much just because I'm still working on it and rebranding a lot of stuff. But if you guys click the link in the description below, you could pick yourself up some fire merch. We also have limited edition forged carbon fiber key tags available. I'm doing a lot of rebranding, a lot of changing up with the website. That's why it might look a little janky right now because I took some things off, changed some things up. But yeah, guys, cop these while it's hot because I'm going to be removing a lot of pieces and refreshing the whole entire shop. Down here, we have my air purifier from the brand Koway. Whenever the air in here gets nasty or smells bad or whatever, this thing cleans it out. Has an indicator here depending on the quality of the air. Over here, we have my display shelf, if you will. It's still not really put together yet. That's why there's a lot of missing parts and things are just randomly put in here. These aren't supposed to be in here, but it is. But yeah, I got a couple of shoes, some gear, got, just random gear laid out. These 2 picture frame things, I don't know where I'm gonna put them. They kind of work here, but I was thinking about doing something else with this wall, so it's just a placeholder. Got my luggage over here, and then boom, we have the bed. But before we get to this, let's turn your attention over here. We have a little astronaut guy over here. Pretty sick. This little ball thing lights up, but I haven't charged it. So at night, it's kind of like a nightstand ordeal. This thing was super expensive. It was like $350, and it's kind of a waste of money. But yeah, my idea with this was instead of having a trash corner on my desk, this will be the trash table. I can put all my keys and just random crap here. That's another bill that I haven't paid. Oh boy. Got my helmet over here. Usually it's in a closet. I just got back from my ride. Got it packaged, and I just noticed that it's not even mine. Okay, so I gotta put that away. Backpack. Got my bed over here. Got a nice fuzzy. Then we have more fuzzies over here. Got 2 nightstands over here. These are also LED powered. There's like LED strips that I put on the bottom of these. Just have a whole bunch of random stuff in here. Tools, candy, remotes, and just bolts and nuts as per usual. Down here, more snacks, more candy, wires, dash cams. Like, it's not organized in any sort of way. I just throw stuff in here. Got my Carpe Diem wine that I killed in like 2 days. Tequila 5112, and then my cologne. Moving on to the other side, we have my camera facing the wall. We got a plant. We have a clock that I don't know how to read. It is 25 minutes to 10. I have no idea what that means. This over here is my Rolly, and then this is my AirPods. We got extra bed sheets and hard drive and cables and random batteries. So yeah, guys, this is the RickyMoto's studio. Still a work in progress. Hope you guys enjoyed this tour so far. I'm gonna head down and show you guys a little bit about what's in the house. Hello there, buddy. Anyways, quick tour of the first floor. This is the front door. You come right in. You're greeted with this beast over here. So walking right in, we got the living room. This is the dining table. Got a piano. We got the couch, table, TV, little robot vacuum thingamajiggy that, you know, automated. Moving on to the back. Oh boy, this place is lit. We're still working on it. We had a pool over here that we got rid of because it was leaking, and the maintenance costs of just trying to keep it here was no good. So that's why there's a big gap in this weird platform here, but we're gonna work with it. We're thinking about doing some sort of fire pit type setup down here. Upper roof thing actually extends and you can get some shade. I was out here having dinner. Such a vibe, because at night my bro set up these lights that are powered and they light up. It's super sick. I think he's actually still working on them because he's kind of double it up and put like multiple strands. But yeah, this is the backyard. Pretty sick. Moving right along. Have a couple of guest bedrooms down here, but I'm not going to show you the bedrooms. We have the bathroom where all the business is done. This whole thing was completely redone from scratch. You know, we ripped out all the walls, all the floors, all this, all this. So this is all new. The whole floor, the toilet, all of this stuff. This is brand new, and it actually lights up, by the way. And you can change the colors via like a phone app, RGB with the top as well. This was like half worked on. Most of it's pretty much old. We just got this new like thingamajig over here. Everything is still OEM. I spray painted these cabinets with my dad white, and we've got new black hardware. But other than that, all the countertops and stuff, the refrigerator is old. I'm gonna bring all these supplies out because I'm doing a chrome delete on my car right now, and I might as well give you guys an outside tour. So this is the outside of the house. We have a driveway but no garage, but this is a pretty nice driveway. You can fit like 3 cars over here. Then we have my bike over here by the tree, the E90 over there, which I'm actually selling right now, so I'm not really driving it. Then we got my new car, the A220, which I have yet to shoot the reveal video, which is why I want to finish the chrome delete, because look at that. I did the back, but not the front. So I'm gonna do that right now, and I can do the reveal video. And boy, now you might be wondering, why do I have all my cars in the street and not in a driveway, considering it's a pretty spacious driveway? Well, because my brother and my dad have Teslas, and they need to charge a car here. So if I block this whole thing, they can't get in. So that's why all my cars, for the most part, will always be on the street. The only times I will pull it in is if I'm working on it. Mind you, my cars are low too, so I don't want to scrape because this is pretty steep. But yeah, the neighborhood here is pretty good. You know, people don't really mess with your stuff, so that's why I feel safe leaving all my stuff in the street. Oh, I just hit the curb. Okay. Oh, geez, I can't drive today. Ooh. Fuel level is low. All right. Boop, boop. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour. I'm excited to be back making content and also changing up the vibes. I do want to start making car content again because my primary focus is, you know, making moto vlogs and motorcycle content. But because I do have a lot of cars here, it's nice to make some content, maybe some POV driving, you know, like this. This will look pretty cool. If you guys have some fun, follow me around, seeing my pad, the space that I'm in now. Make sure to drop a like and a comment below. It's been your boy, Ricky Moto. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.